Hey, it's Brian Newman with the 101 Holiday Mix and Mingle that's coming up on Saturday, December 2nd. And it's at the Holiday Inn Glendale, which is right next to Top Golf off of Loop 101 on 99th Avenue. So, yeah, we're excited. We're going to have 16 vendors. There's going to be free food. There's going to be an open cash bar. There's going to be lots of shopping with vendors, raffle prizes given away every hour, and Santa's going to be there. So you want to bring the family and the kids and spend like the whole day there. It's going to be from 9 to 3 o'clock. But we want you to meet a couple of our vendors now ahead of time. So, Amy, if you want to introduce yourself and let people know who you are, what you do, and what can they expect over at the vendor event?
Okie doke. I'm Amy Hinerman. I'm an author, writer, editor, and I will be there between 10 and 2. I have a few things. I have these books. I was in this Chicken Soup for the Soul, September of 2021, which is pretty cool because I only accept 101 out of over 3,000 submissions per issue. So I will have some of these there that I'd be happy to sign for you. And also there's a nonprofit opportunity through them that's pretty cool if you'd like to find out about that. I also have this book. This is my little baby. Actually, it's quite big. I put together this big book
Oh,
of word
wow.
searches. There's a brain because it's good brain exercise. It's huge. It's just huge, and it's very big print. So it's easy for seniors to read, and it's humorous. It's got a spin that will make you laugh on every puzzle. You have to see it to get that. I have one more though. I have a much smaller version
Oh,
of the same thing. This is just my sample, so it's not going to have that stripe. Um, this is just a 5x8. It's basically the same thing, only different puzzles. So if you want, you can get both of them. They won't repeat. And it's just full of funny illustrations, just some crazy stuff. Both of these have something called Find the Oddball Word, which so in every word search puzzle, there's one that doesn't fit the category. I'll give you an example. One category is gods and goddesses, and the oddball is Barney Fife. So it's like that. There's just one thing that doesn't fit that just kind of will make you giggle when you read it. Like obviously Barney Fife is not a god. So stuff like that. So it's a lot of fun. They're inexpensive. I have two more books I'm waiting for. Christmas activity book for kids. It's big like the first one. And then a coloring book of kids or animals celebrating Christmas. And I'm having a little trouble with the formatting on Amazon, so I'm crossing my fingers that I'll have both of those by then. But if not, I still have these other things. So I hope you guys come out and see me. It'd be fun.
oh, thanks, Amy. Yeah, yeah, check her out. You've been doing this for a number of years. So yeah, it's nothing new, but yeah,
No.
yeah, check her out. She'll be at the event. You can meet her, get her signature and buy one of the books. They're only what, like I think $10 or something like that.
Yeah, the big puzzle book is 10. The smaller one is 8. I mean, and the big one is just there's so much, but it's great for teens, adults, and seniors, both of them. It, I don't know, it's good for seniors because of the brain exercise. I know a 92-year-old woman who has been working on it for like 2 months, and she absolutely loves it. So just stop by and take a look.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, Amy. Yeah,
Thank
it's
you,
great to see you.
Brian.
Yeah, Eduardo. Yeah, if you guys want to go next, yeah, again, tell them who you are, what you do, and what can they expect, by stopping by.
Brian. Hello, everyone. My name is Eduardo, and here with me is my wife, Alejandra. Together, we're the owners of Speck Cleaning, and Speck Cleaning is all about high quality house cleaning services. If you want to keep your house, if you want to keep your house clean, you can count on us. We have a tagline which is "Happy Home, Clean Home, Happy Life." So, and that is very true. So, if you want to hear about our promotions, come check us out. You can also find us online at speckcleaning.com, or you could also book your service by phone at 480-608-0323. And we have different services that we can customize to your liking, or we also have some flat rate prices for standard cleaning, for deep cleaning services, or also if you're moving in or moving out, we can also we also have a solution for you. So come check us out. We have good discounts that you could get if you come and visit us. Thank you.
Oh, great. Well, thank you guys. Yeah, stop by, check them out. If they want to call you, is that the best number, that 480-608-0323?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
that
Yeah,
is the
so
best
you
phone
could
number.
even call them ahead of time. If you can't wait for the event and you have company coming in and you need to get your house or apartment cleaned, give them a call ahead of time. So thank you guys. Look forward to seeing
Thank
you
you.
there. Yeah,
Yeah.
Wendy, hi, can you go next? How are you?
Hi, sure. I'm Wendi Harris with Design In Blooms, and I'm a home studio florist. I do everything that a florist does. I just do it from the comfort of my home. Um, we design, deliver, um, we do weddings, events, like I said, just everything that a florist does. And I'll be there with some fresh flower arrangements. I'll have some permanent arrangements. Also, I'll be doing some demonstrations on gift wrapping, how to make a gift special, and show you how to make your own bows. Everyone loves to know how to make their bows, and just have some decorating tips and ideas for you.
Oh, that sounds great. Yeah, and I know you're located on the west side, I believe, right? But you deliver
Yes,
all over, don't you?
yes, yep. We're in Surprise. So yeah, we deliver all over, especially for events. We do a lot of events in Scottsdale, that type of thing. So we will venture over to the East Valley, but
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
a lot of what we do is here in the West Valley.
And if they want to call you ahead of time for their holiday parties or whatever, can they call that
Absolutely.
602-856-6309?
Yep. Or
A
you
good
can go
number?
to designandblooms.com.
Oh, okay. All right, sounds good. So again, mark your calendar for December 2nd from 9 to 3. It's over at the Holiday Inn next to Top Golf off of Loop 101 on 99th Avenue. So we're going to be there from, again, the whole day. Come out, bring the whole family, shop, eat. There's going to be plenty of food. And then we have an open cash bar and Santa will be there. So thank you guys for tuning in and we can't wait to see you.